Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to easy mine Bitcoin. Um, First, what you have to do is type down in Google Chrome nicehash, and you have the first application. You select download, and you have the download nicehash miner. This one, the last version. Next thing you have to do is just install the program itself. It will look like this. You'll have a benchmark where you can select if you want your algorithm that you want to use, you want to mine, but usually you just enable them all and the computer will take the highest rate. Um, Everything will be saved on their website. You'll have like a wallet. Oh, this is necessary to do. Great. Okay. You have a wallet, right? So everything you mine, it's saved in the wallet. In every 4 hours, as you can see here, in every 4 hours you get paid for what your PC mined. Uh, it will calculate the day earning, everyday earning. So today, if I mine with this speed, I'll just get 2.64 euros. Um, no, sorry, this is my wallet. This one is what I get for one day, but this is not the real thing. It's like double or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's double. Sometimes it mines with 0.1. Everything will be saved on your wallet, and you can exchange the Bitcoin you're mining in whatever you want. I exchanged my Bitcoin in Ravencoin for some reason that I don't know. Um, what else you can do? Um, I think that's kind of it. Um, well, you cannot withdraw until you have this amount. Like I cannot withdraw this. I have to mine until, let's say, $50, 50 euros. So 0.00001 Bitcoin. It's something close to 50 euros, if I'm not wrong. So when you have that, um, you can withdraw. But a different story about Ravencoin. If you want to withdraw Ravencoin, you need at least 620. So that's not that much. It's about um, 20 or 25 euros. So it's a half. So that's why I actually changed the Bitcoin in Ravencoin so I can withdraw them faster and put them in my own wallet. This is all about mining fast with nicehash. And don't forget here, um, plugins. Don't forget to update or install all of the algorithm that your GPU can work with. Because I saw on YouTube and everywhere that people are asking why I just have 7 out of 7 and you have like 28 out of 28. It's because you didn't install the um, algorithm that your GPU can work with. But if your GPU is like it's old, maybe it will have um, not that much. It won't have that much of algorithm. So maybe it's if it's an old GPU, we will have like 17 or something like that algorithm. But it's okay. You just have to press on plugin and install the algorithm that your GPU can work with. Uh, from my perspective, mining with your CPU, it's not worth like at all. Um, just GPU. It's okay. Okay, this is for today. I hope I helped you, and maybe we'll see you next time. Bye.